everyone, welcome to African Oat Food. I hope everyone is well. Today we are making coconut rice with chicken. So what we have here, we have our chicken. I have marinated this chicken in this. So I got salt, pepper, garlic, and thyme, oregano. And here I have bell pepper, onion, white onion and red onion. I mix them together and then I separate them. So I'm going to cook this chicken separate before I can use this one. So here I have onion, chopped onion, and also I have half a cup of oil, and I have kidney beans here that I have cooked, and I have brown rice, easy cook rice, and I have my mixture here I'm going to use, and that's the water from the beans that I use. So I'm going to use that, and I have also coconut milk here that I'm going to use for the rice. So let's start it and start cooking. So what we have here, we have our oil here. I'm going to start cooking my chicken first, so yeah. Okay. So we're going to leave this chicken to cook for each side, 10 minutes for each side. Yeah. And we'll be back to show you. So meanwhile, while our chicken is cooking, we're going to start our rice. So half a cup of oil, olive oil. I'm not gonna use the whole thing. I'm gonna use half of it. So that's it. That's half. And I'm gonna add the onion. So now I'm going to add my spice here. So this spice, I will link it so you can see. So 1 tablespoon of spice and a half. That's it. I'm gonna mix this together. This one quickly, so the spice is cooked a bit. So I'm gonna add the beans. There's the beans. So kidney beans, yeah. Smells so good. Oh, I wish you can be here and smell this. Smells beautiful. So this one, while this one is cooking, I'm gonna add a bit of salt in here. Teaspoon sorry, teaspoon of salt in here. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it to cook and mix with the spice and everything first before adding the water into it. And the beans water, the water that I use for the beans in here. That's it. Done. I'm gonna add my coconut milk in here. That's it. And mix it. Wow. Look at that. And now I'm gonna add my rice. So what I have here, rice is easy cook rice, yeah, brown rice if you prefer. And adding this into my mixture here and mix it together. At this point, you don't have to add any water or anything. There's enough water in here. So we're just going to cover this and leave it to cook for 20 minutes. So our chicken is still cooking. I'm going to turn it on the other side for it to cook. And you see how much water is in here? We need all this water to go away. There, turn it. And I'm going to leave on the other side for another 10 minutes. Okay. Top of that, I'm going to add the mixture, my chicken mixture, on top of the gravy. Okay. This one will have a link as well. And mix them together. It smells so beautiful. So I'm gonna cook this one for about, let's say 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah. And then we'll go on top of the chicken inside the oven for 15 minutes. Now the gravy is done. We're going to add this on top of the chicken. Here. That's it, all of it. And make sure that goes everywhere. So, and this one is going in the oven for 15 minutes. This is the chicken going inside the oven. There for 15 minutes on 180. So voila, this is how our rice look like. It's almost done. I have added one Scotch bonnet on top here, so I'm going to stir this. See? Ooh, wow. It smells so good. It smells coconut and the spice and everything. Yum yum. I'm going to enjoy this. I'm going to taste it and see if it's enough, it's cooked or I'm gonna leave it again for another 5 minutes and it'll be ready. So this is it. Our rice is done and our chicken also is done. Check this chicken out. It's nice and tasty and it smells so good. So we're going to serve this and we're going to eat it, enjoy it. And yeah. Okay, let's serve our rice first. Put the rice here. Coconut rice, beans. Yeah. Enjoyable. I'm gonna enjoy this. It looks nice. It tastes nice. It smells really. I'm not exaggerating. It smells so good. And the chicken on the side as well. So this one will go for 2 chickens. Yeah. A bit of sauce on it on top. Gravy. There. Voila. Our chicken and coconut rice and beans is done. This is it. I hope you enjoy this today, that you will come again and join us and share our cooking. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe and give us a thumbs up and ask anything also that you need to know. Thank you for coming today. God bless you. Bye bye.